Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So for today's video, I am so excited because it will be a unboxing slash my very first PR package. So in this video, I'm pretty much going to show you what I got in my PR package, as well as how I got on the PR list and a whole bunch of details. So I don't want to say too much in the intro, but before we start this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and when you do, also hit that little notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. This PR package is from Sigma Beauty. I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with their brushes, their beauty sponge. They do have highlights and like lipsticks and stuff, but they're mostly known for their brushes. So yes, a few weeks ago, or maybe a month, I think it was a few weeks ago, one of the PR managers or someone who's involved with like the PR marketing area reached out to me on my email and said like they wanted to add me, give me an affiliate code. So I was so excited and honored. So I am a Sigma affiliate. If you want to use my code, it is MariiiBajariii to save you some money when you purchase from Sigma. So that code will save you some money on your Sigma order. And honestly, you guys, I'm so excited. Like, this may not be a big deal for some of you, but being on a PR list was a huge dream of mine, and I'm so excited for what's to come. Like, I know people get on tons of PR lists. This is just the beginning. It's my very first one, and I'm so excited. I made a 2018 goal, which was to get on a PR list. I normally don't make goals for myself because I don't want to upset myself if I don't reach the goal. But I need to start making goals because I'm reaching them and it makes me feel so happy. So yes, I reached my 2018 goal. I got on a PR list. So I want to thank Shy from Sigma for giving me this opportunity to share these products with you guys, as well as getting an affiliate code, which is awesome. Like, usually I have like other codes, but they're not for big brands. So this is a big brand. This is huge. Oh my god. It's getting hot. I'm gonna chill. Warning you ahead of time, I'm sorry if I'm like all over the place because I'm super excited, and when I'm excited I ramble and I go on and on. I don't even know what I'm saying, but so yeah, let's just get right into the whole PR package. So when Sigma reached out to me, they told me that they were going to send me some products. I was expecting maybe like 3 brushes, nothing too big. But then my mom was like, you got a package, and I was like, okay. She brings me this box. I was like, oh my gosh, not only is it big, but it's heavy. Like, it weighs a lot. So I was like, oh, I was so excited. If you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, I went and posted a little sneak peek of this PR package. So I was just so excited. So let's just open it up. When you open it up, it says beauty delivery, and it has a whole list of like different Sigma products, like a little catalog in here. And then they also sent me this little card from Sigma, obviously. It says, Mari, welcome to the Sigma family. Enjoy your Sigma goodies, XO Shy. I just want to say thank you so much to Shy for reaching out to me. Alright, so when you open it up, you know, Sigma is known for their hot pink and black packaging. So the first thing in the box is this Sigma brush cleaning mat. It's funny because back then I wanted to purchase the actual Sigma brush cleaning mat, but I don't know why I didn't. I ended up just getting like a fake one, I guess. I got it from the Makeup Shack. It works just as good, but I'm so excited to have the real one from Sigma because I've been wanting this for a while now. So I was like, yes. Along with that brush cleaning mat, they also gave me the Sigma brush shampoo, which is great because I just ran out of my soap for my brushes, and your girl needs to clean her brushes. So yes, a brush shampoo. The next thing that they sent me was a 580 flat kabuki brush from Sigma. I'm gonna keep saying from Sigma. I don't need to say that because we all know it's from Sigma. But yes, this is a kabuki brush. I've never tried Sigma brushes, but I've heard a lot of great things about them, so I am super excited to try them out. I also got this F56 highlighter brush. I'm not too sure if I would use this as a highlighter brush. Maybe more of as a like foundation or under eye brush, because if you look at it, it kind of has like a weird shape, so I'm not too sure if I would use this for a highlighter brush, but I will try it out for something else. The next thing that I got is a 3D HD blender, which I am excited about because I know they had like a launch party for this product, and I saw it all over like Instagram and Snapchat. And your girl needs a new beauty sponge because mine are looking rusty, dusty, and crusty. So I'm excited to try this one. The next thing that I got is a Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and you can never have too many crease brushes. Okay, this next thing that I got is an eyeshadow base primer, and let's see what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's just like a nude color. Let's see. Oh, it's a stick. Okay, so this is like a tinted, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a tinted primer. It looks more like a lipstick. I honestly don't even use primers anymore. I usually just use concealer. But I will definitely try this out because you never know. I'm always up for new things. So we'll definitely try this product out. The next product that I have in here is this curling mascara. I don't even know Sigma made mascara. Oh my god. Like I said in my last video, I don't really like to buy mascara. So I'm always up for free mascara. Ooh, this is a very sleek and matte mascara. See how the bristles look? Oh yes, yes. And a mascara, I love when they have, focus. I love when it has like those little bristles and it's not super chunky because it could really like separate your lashes and make them look They also sent me a liquid pen liner, and you can never have too many liquid liners. So this is great to have. I think it's a felt tip. I'm loving their packaging. It's super matte and sleek. I love it. Yes, so this is a felt tip eyeliner, and this is great for when you want to do that wing because you really can just get in there precisely. Okay, so this next one is a Aurora powder, face powder. It is in the shade Cor de Rosa. I don't know if it's a blush or a face powder. It said face powder, right? Yeah, face powder. Oh my god, look at that iridescent packaging. So cute. Okay, yeah, so this is more of like a blush tone. Ooh, this is like right up my alley because I don't like blushes that are super pink. So this is great. You know, I love my peachy blushes or something that just goes great with your bronzer. And this looks like it's gonna look pretty good. All right, lastly, this is a shimmer cream in Brilliant. Let's see. So I think it could be used as like a highlight as well as an eyeshadow. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It has its iridescent packaging, and then when you open it up, oh yes, let's see how this looks. Oh yeah, this is, oh yeah, see, like there's so much stuff that I didn't know that Sigma had. I really need to like shop outside the box because I'm always using the same products over and over again. So I'm so excited to try all of these Sigma products out. So that is all for my Sigma unboxing, my very first PR unboxing haul. I just want to say that I'm super thankful because not everyone gets a chance to get free makeup or get on a PR list or get recognized by like great brands. I'm just super thankful that they chose me. I know that a lot of people are already like within greater brands and just, I'm not the only one on a PR list. I understand that, but I'm just super excited and thankful because I get to be one of those people who get to try out these products and share them with you before having to go out and pay for them. So I'll definitely be using these products in future videos so that you guys know how I like them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to my Angel's channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. And also, when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that little notification bell down below so you get notified every single time that I post. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!